The program, Asset Management and Private Banking, in short, AMPB, was founded in 2017. The founding of the program was inspired by the need of the industry for talent and for capitalizing Hong Kong as an international and regional wealth management center. When we started the AMPB program in 2017, we've only admitted 20 students. Today, we've admitted nearly 50. So just in terms of the size, we've more than doubled. In terms of the program design, we've included in our curriculum a number of courses that captured the development of Hong Kong as a global wealth management center. For instance, the new disciplinary elective courses, number 1, ESG in Business and Finance, and number 2, the Global Sustainable Investing and ESG Integration, have prepared our students to a much needed interdisciplinary topic of sustainability and climate changes. We've also added a course on family office back in 2021. Now that Hong Kong has dedicated herself to developing Hong Kong as a family office hub for the region. In order for our program to be close to the market, a number of these new courses are taught by adjunct professors who are currently working in the industry and are experts in their field. Well, the upcoming hot topic for asset owners and investors is possibly the new asset class in digital and virtual world. So, starting in September 2024, we'll be launching a new course on digital assets, basically looking at the basic infrastructure of digital assets and what the risk, issues, and regulatory framework for this new asset class. As an ex-industry practitioner, I'm a believer of out of the classroom learning. Well, whatever you learn in the classroom, you will likely forget it once you step out of the examination hall, but you will definitely remember the insights, advice, and tips you get from meeting different people. The more you reach out and talk to practitioners, the quicker you understand the practical world, to form your own logical thinking, and able to communicate and engage better. It is important that students take the initiative and have the passion to reach out and talk. As the program director of AMPB, we have been doing a lot to get students engaged, including coffee chat, fireside chats, company visits, case competitions, and trading simulation game. An activity that I really want to highlight is coffee chat. Each student in a small group of 2 or 3 will be able to meet with industry practitioners in a very, very relaxed environment. The objective is really to learn a story from the guest mentor and hopefully be inspired by his or her story. That's how networking and inspiration start. Connectivity in Finance is a 3-day activity hosted during the reading week in the second semester of each calendar year. It is primarily for Year 1 and Year 2 students. The event consisted of meeting a senior government official from the Financial and Services Treasury Bureau, visiting 3 to 4 banks, and a full day of training simulation. The event is clearly an eye-opener for the young students at the very early stage at the university. During the last few years, we have visited Goldman Sachs, Citibank, Deutsche Bank, Julius Baer, ESG, and Credit Suisse. The best part of the visit is not the hardcore office, but the sharing with the senior executives at each institution. Students have the chance to listen to the CEO and heads of various departments, and also have the opportunity to mingle with junior executives. Again, that's how networking and inspiration start. My first comment is that whatever you study doesn't bar you from entering into any field. Wherever you start in your first job, doesn't limit in that single area. So while a number of our students do enter banks, do enter asset management companies, I've also seen some of my students doing consulting, risk management, or even doing their own startup. And at the same time, there are many other students from other programs landing their first job in private banking and asset management. So my advice is, while you're at the university, reach out, talk to more people, build your own interests, and develop your own story. Be passionate, show interest, participate in events, reach out and talk with people. One very important thing to do is to do your homework before reaching out and before talking with anyone. One last piece of advice. Show your respect and appreciation to anyone you meet. Be responsive, answer emails, give feedback, and take the initiative to say thank you.